In your own words, what happened on the night of November 21st?
Well, you see, Miss Maela, she called me in to fix the door. So I walk in, I see the door. She walks me in, I see the door. Looks perfectly fine. So I tell her, it looks perfectly fine. And I noticed something very strange, you know? I noticed that there is no children around the house. I can hear them because they're usually loud sometimes. I didn't hear them. So I asked her, where were the children? And she said, they were out for ice cream. Now it's kind of hard to believe because she was with a lot of money and she gave them about how many nickels? 7 nickels just for ice cream. And I was pretty surprised and it was very, very charming of her to do that. So as I fix the door, I stand on the chair, right? I noticed her touching my leg, and it was very strange. So I told her, "Can you please not touch me?" And that's when stuff started getting really bad. And she kind of grabbed my legs, and I kind of fell down. I fell on top of her, and then she twisted me over. I was trying to fight her off, and I was like, "Miss Maela, please get off me." Next thing I knew, she was grabbing my strap, and she kissed me.
Where did she kiss you?
On the lips. And she tells me that was the first man I've ever kissed like that, except my daddy. And I didn't know what to say after that. And I told Miss Maela, please, I just want to get out of here. And the next thing I knew, I saw Bob. And as soon as I saw him, I ran so fast. I didn't try to hurt Miss Maela after I got out. I tried to struggle a little bit. I couldn't even move my left arm, and it was so hard for me to do. I couldn't even get out. So when I was doing that, I ran so fast out of that house. I knew Bobby was chasing me, but that's all I remember. I didn't know where I went after that. I was running so fast. Excuse me.
Did you push her off?
I didn't push her off. I struggled a bit, and that's it. I struggled a bit, and I told her to get off of me. That's it. She wouldn't listen. I struggled a bit. I didn't push her like that.
And did Mr. Yule catch you in any way?
I saw his head out the window, but all the windows were locked, so he couldn't come in. But I knew when I saw him, I had to get out of there as fast as I could. I barged through that door, and I ran. I ran as fast as I could.
Why did you help her?
I felt sorry for her. Oh.
The jury has reached a verdict. Order in the court. Tom Robinson, please stand. The verdict is in. He's guilty.